Hi everyone, welcome to this episode of UnboxID. I'm your host Astley Ng, aka The Designer. We're here today at Surface Top Solution to understand a little bit more about kitchen and vanity countertop. And we're not doing it alone today. We're doing it with someone who wants to go through her renovation right now. Come, join me. Hi Rachel.
Hey Astley.
Hi.
I thought you said we're going to look for kitchen countertops today.
We are?
But this is obviously a tile shop.
No, it isn't. This is actually Surface Top Solution, and what they sell here is actually quartz countertop meant for kitchen as well as vanity. Now, have you ever heard of the saying that granite is really ideal for kitchen countertop? And they are really tough?
Yes.
Well, quartz is an even tougher material than granite.
Really?
Yes. You want to find out more?
Sure. Wow, this is very nice, Ashley. Are you sure it's not granite? It even sounds like granite.
Well, to be honest, just by looking at it, I will also be fooled. But no, in reality, these are all quartz here. And these quartz, Handstone quartz, are actually from Korea. And like all quartz, basically they are really resilient because it's a mixture of natural granite mixed together with synthetic elements. And so there is no porosity. Now in natural materials, there happens to be a lot of pores, so the air cools it and it's actually very cool to the touch.
Like marble.
Like marble, that's right. But when it's that porous, it basically means that it's very susceptible to staining, scratches. Quartz is not going to give you that problem. So it's really, really ideal for your kitchen cabinet.
But although it's not porous, it's still very cool.
That's because the material is kind of cool. Okay, Rachel, this is the segment of the show where we take out our SIXiDES UnboxID toolbox and we conduct torture tests to the materials here. Okay, so we are going to be exploring the properties and the capabilities, and in this way, hopefully you get to really believe that this product will be best and most suitable for your home.
Okay.
Shall I begin?
Yes.
Okay, the first test is we're going to take the hammer and we're going to whack the coin on the quartz. Let's begin. Passed. And the next one is actually going to be the test pan.
Hey, relax. Wow. Well, there's nothing
There's nothing, huh? Okay, last but not least, we're going to be doing, this is the kiwi, okay? Stain test. Remember I mentioned about porosity? That's kiwi, and this is a blowtorch. We're going to be cooking.
There's absolutely nothing happening.
No, then the next one, okay, I'm going to wipe off.
Holy crap! It's a bit hot lah, but it's good as new.
So Rachel, are you convinced?
Yeah, fully so.
So Rachel, what do you think of using quartz for your kitchen countertop?
I think right now it's going to be my prime choice. I had no idea that quartz can look so nice and be so resistant to all your forms of torture.
Test, right? Well, beyond the kitchen countertop, quartz is also ideal for vanity tops as well. Now, of course, vanities don't have to go through that much abuse as opposed to the kitchen countertop. So if you're in the lookout for vanity tops or the kitchen tops, do come to Surface Top Solutions, and I'm sure these guys will be able to help you out. Right, Rachel?